Hey people, so I just have to say that since this channel has been there for more than 5 years now, so there is that level of trust. So when I promote any product on my channel, it is something that I truly believe in because I feel really, I mean, you know, trust is something that no matter what, one shouldn't ever play with. So, having said that, I have to say that there is this brand on Instagram called Granny's Burnie, which means that's what na? It is a pickle based brand, and these folk they were kind enough to send me this batch of 6 pickles, and oh my god, it's the kind of once you taste it. Yeah, I mean, I'll be honest, pickles have never been very high on my priority list of things to eat or things to taste and buy and all. But, you know, a homemade healthy pickle can have such an elevating taste, such a because when you eat the store bought pickles, they make you feel queasy, after a point because they've been made at some point in the past and they are put on a shelf. And in fact, Sadhguru says that the longer something sits on a shelf, it's like, my god, it's just not advisable. So these were freshly made pickles that Granny's Burnie, they were kind enough to send me. And yeah, I can't thank them enough. In fact, this is my favorite flavor. See, as you can see, it's almost over. Khatti Mitti Longi, and you'll have to try these products. And it is so reasonable, like seriously. So, Granny's Burnie, and like that's what I wouldn't know the exact amount, but it is one of the, in fact, per kg outside would be 800 bucks. Here it is just 500 bucks per kg of pickle. And pickle is something that it's just nice to have it at home so that you can always eat it with something, right? So I can't recommend it enough. Granny's Burnie it is on Instagram, and you folks have to try her products. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.